Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's headlines. President Draupadi Murmu grants assent to Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attends the G20 anti-corruption ministerial meeting, calls upon people to fight the menace of corruption collectively. Eastern India has the potential to be a growth engine of the country, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And India to take on Malaysia in the final of the Asian Champions Trophy hockey tournament in Chennai. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has granted assent to the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023 after it was passed by both houses of the parliament. The DPDP bill was passed unanimously by the Rajya Sabha on the 9th of August, while the Lok Sabha passed the bill on the 7th of August by voice vote. It aims to manage digital personal data by balancing individuals' right to safeguard their data with the need to lawfully process such data for relevant purposes. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that India has a strict policy of zero tolerance against corruption and called upon the people to fight it collectively. Addressing the G20 anti-corruption ministerial meeting at Kolkata virtually, Prime Minister Modi reaffirmed India's strong commitment to eradicating corruption and fostering transparency in governance. Modi underlined that India was leveraging technology and e-governance to create a transparent and accountable ecosystem.
India has a strict policy of zero tolerance against corruption. We are leveraging technology and e-governance to create a transparent and accountable ecosystem. Leakages and gaps in welfare schemes and government projects are being plugged. Hundreds of millions of people in India have received direct benefit transfers into their bank account.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today that Eastern India has the potential to be the growth engine of our country. Prime Minister Modi was virtually addressing Bharatiya Janata Party workers during the inauguration of the Kshatriya Panchayati Raj Parishad at Kolaghat in West Bengal today. Modi today launched a scathing attack on the opposition INDIA, saying they did not want a discussion on the Manipur issue. Modi also launched a scathing attack on the ruling Trinamool Congress over the recent Panchayat polls held in West Bengal.
का एक मजबूत स्तंभ, देश के विकास का एक मजबूत इंजन, उसका पूरा सामर्थ्य हमारे पूर्वी भारत के क्षेत्र में है। वहां प्राकृतिक संसाधन भी भरमार है और वहां ऊर्जावान, तेजस्वी, ओजस्वी हमारे नागरिकों का भी एक बहुत बड़ा सामर्थ्य है।
A district level Yuva Utsav 2023 on the theme Panch PRN and India at 24/7 was held today at Mairang. Speaking on the occasion, A. Nongbri, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Eastern West Khasi Hills District, lauded the efforts of the Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan under the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of India for organizing such a program to motivate the youth to be nation builders. Others present during the program included Boldness Nongrum, Principal of Khatsaupra College, and Dr. L.R. Nyota, Block Development Officer, CNRD Block. Various competitions were organized as part of the program.
each group you prepare the group tremendous.
CRPF Jawans took out a Tiranga Yatra in Shillong on Saturday as part of the Amrit Mahotsav of independence in the country. The Jawans also appealed to the people to hoist the tricolour at their homes. In this Tiranga Yatra, along with CRPF Jawans, common citizens, boys and girls also participated. Participating in the Yatra, the Jawans said that they have urged people to hoist a tricolour at their homes during the Amrit Mahotsav and on August 15th. A momentous event unfolded at Kasturba Gandhi Hospital, Chennai, as the government of Meghalaya and Tamil Nadu jointly organized a valedictory ceremony to honor the accomplishments of 29 doctors from Meghalaya. These medical officers have successfully completed an intensive 6-month specialized training in comprehensive emergency obstetrics care, ultrasonography and life-saving anesthetic skills. Facilitated through a memorandum of understanding between the two state governments, this collaborative initiative exemplifies the spirit of partnership and commitment to healthcare advancement. The event was graced by the presence of distinguished dignitaries including Thiru M.A. Subramanian, Health Minister of Tamil Nadu, and Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdo, Health Minister of Meghalaya. India will take on Malaysia in the finals of the Asian Men's Hockey Championship trophy at Chennai today. Hosts India beat Japan 5-0 in a sensational match at the Mayor Radhakrishnan Stadium yesterday. The Indian players scored brilliantly and defended the goal, making it difficult for Japan to score a single goal during the game. Japan will play against South Korea for the third and fourth place playoff match. Malaysia entered the finals of the trophy for the first time, beating South Korea 6-2. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 24.4 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 18.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 96%, dropping to 76% in the evening with rainfall of 3.6 millimeters. The forecast shows us moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And for our viewers who missed out, here's a recap of today's top stories. President Draupadi Murmu grants assent to Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attends the G20 Anti-Corruption Ministerial Meeting, calls upon people to fight the menace of corruption collectively. Eastern India has the potential to be the growth engine of the country, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And India to take on Malaysia in the final of the Asian Champions Trophy hockey tournament in Chennai. That's all the news we have today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.